Hello everybody, my name is Sviatoslav and I would like to share a step-by-step guide on how to start to improve your eyesight naturally. The first thing to do is to provide blood flow to our eyes. How to do it? Very simple. Just start looking actively around. For example, when walking by the street, look at various buildings, cars, trees with your eyes. Second, you need to develop a habit to give your eyes rest every 20 minutes when you watch on a screen. It's very important point because the main reason for eyesight deterioration is eye muscle overexertion. Third, you need to learn how to relax your eyes. It is the most important step for a natural eyesight recovery. You can find how to relax your eyes video on my channel. Relaxation is very important before and after eye exercises. Fourth, you can also try exercises on my channel. There is a video of 3 best exercises for myopia nearsightedness and the 3 best exercises for hyperopia farsightedness. The common exercise in them is this exercise to look along the contour of the circle. Try gently to look along the contour of the circle in one direction and in another direction. You need to feel if there are any breakthroughs. Means the muscles are spasmodic and they do not allow the eye to rotate smoothly. If there any pain, then the nerve is clamped due to the spasm. Therefore, we do it very gently and you can make a smaller circle. For example, 1 meter in diameter or 4 feet. Subscribe to my channel for more beneficial information for your eyes.